Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you some yarn I received from YARNS. YARNS is a wonderful manufacturer and distributor of some of the prettiest yarns in the world. The first yarn that I'm going to show you is called Baby Wool Design. The colors in this particular one are absolutely gorgeous. This baby wool design is a light DK weight yarn, or a number 3 on the label. The ones I have are all self-striping yarns with beautiful color flows. You can see in my Tunisian sample how pretty this yarn works up. The next yarn I'd like to show you is called Alpaca Active. It's a beautiful yarn that looks like hand-spun yarn. The color transitions are gorgeous. This would make a beautiful shawl. It's a blend of alpaca, wool, and acrylic. I was surprised how fast I received all of this yarn. It was ordered on a Friday, and I received it by Tuesday all the way from Turkey. So it was only about 3 days in transit. It's hard to choose a favorite yarn, but the purples and other deep jewel tones in this one are really, really beautiful. Next, this is also a gorgeous yarn. It's called Baby Comfort, and I can understand why. It is incredibly soft. I wish you could feel how soft this yarn is. It's made of 50% nylon and 50% acrylic and would work well in any fashion clothing or accessory for an adult or a baby. The really unique thing about it is how it is made. If you look closely, it's a chain or braided yarn. The yarn forms a nice rounded cord. Because there's no fibers sticking out every which way, it makes the yarn smooth and soft against your skin. And finally, I'd like to show you YARNS Almina Cotton. This is a wonderful mercerized 100% cotton yarn, or it can be considered cotton crochet thread. You'll want to use this in your finer lace accessories, and especially if you do any Irish lace crochet motifs. This is classified as a number 2 yarn on the label. The sheen is beautiful and the colors are really gorgeous. And the pink is my absolute favorite. I hope this video has helped you and introduced you to YARNS. Be sure to check the link in the description of this video on where to order this and other beautiful yarns from YARNS.